capping up after earnings. Stock closed at 194, and right now stock is absolutely ripping to $210. So stock, gigantic move after earnings. I forget what the expected move was, like $8-9, and now the stock is up about $15. So really nice pop in DocuSign, 5 below. Also popping after earnings, and United States Steel and Dick's Sporting Goods upgraded this morning. On the downside, that PD, Pinduoduo, a little bit lower. I'm sorry, PagerDuty, sorry, PDD is the other one that's kind of stuck. Anyway, that's what's going on, folks. Welcome to Friday, the 4th. Again, so there's the long, anything over the overnight high, and now could be a little bit of a fade. The overnight high was 10 quarter, now it's 11. Overnight high is 11. NASDAQ had a quick little pop.
Order cancelled.
AMD active, thank you, Scooter. Advanced Micro Devices active. NASDAQ new highs, ripping. S&P.
Order filled.
Again, it's got to come back down below. See what I mean? Even something that's 90% probable, that 10%, that's what's happening. So right out of the gate,
order filled.
Bulls are right back at it, ladies and gentlemen, just non-stop. Non-stop. NASDAQ just exploding up over the overnight high. The
order
open
filled.
was at 610.
Order
S&P
cancelled.
futures opened at 10 quarter.
Order filled.
And yeah, once again, folks,
Order
bulls,
filled.
just nothing else matters. Just ripping. VIX futures, new lows. So
Order filled.
bias, of course, just stratospheric as usual. Dow, S&P, Comp, NDX, Russell up.